Today is usually the busiest travel day of the year, and while fewer people are traveling because of COVID, it's still more than health experts would like. CBS News' John Diaz reports.
Despite the risk of COVID, it's still the season of holiday travel at LaGuardia Airport. People following protocols, all but a major one, to stay home.
I want to see my son. So I know, but I took all the precautions, I have my mask.
You tell Americans one thing, they're going to do the other thing.
With COVID cases soaring across the country, the CDC and local leaders are advising to keep Thanksgiving gatherings small.
The second wave is coming on strong. It's affecting every element of our lives. We got to keep fighting against it. Celebrate safely. Focus on the people closest to you and small gatherings and virtual gatherings and avoid travel.
But keeping the holiday to just his immediate family is something this man says he won't do.
I think it's perfectly safe.
Admitting he is flying to Miami for a party of more than 20 people.
It's going to be a huge gathering. Who's going to be eating Thanksgiving in their own home, wearing masks and socially distancing?
I mean, you don't know.
I don't think anyone's going to do that.
The skies over the U.S. are about as busy as last year, but passenger traffic is down nearly 60%. Since Friday, nearly 5 million people have passed through TSA checkpoints, the most since March. This college junior plans on flying home until January.
I'm going to try my best to stay far away from my family, and I'm not going to see anyone besides my parents for the first 2 weeks.
Flyers will find TSA checkpoints with added COVID protections, plexiglass barriers, officers in PPE, and new ID and bag scanners that reduce touch points.
There's fewer points of contact between a passenger and an officer. Additionally, it's much better security. I mean, every technology we put in place provides a significant security improvement.
And with millions now working remotely, COVID may be changing when people choose to fly, leaving well before the holiday and staying longer.
We expect to see high numbers also next Sunday.
Health officials urge people who insist on traveling to get tested. From LaGuardia Airport, John Diaz, CBS 2 News.